Hi everyone, my name is Chintan and I'm here to just walk you through the recent program going on annual meet of new challenges by World Economic Forum. So why this video is very important for CHRO, CLO and the other people who leads the training and development, learning and development and talent and development. So, of course, as a talent and development and as a learning and development or as a CHRO, you have to always look about the competency mapping and you need sometimes and support from external vendor, right? Like us. So if you need an external vendor support for competency mapping and for understanding that what are the future skills, this video is for you. So I'm Chintan from India and Anantham Academy. So my name of academy sounds like an ancient wisdom because the word is taken from the world's largest and the best and the first largest epic that is from you know Bhagavad Gita, right? So let me tell you one of the interesting fact about what is happening now. So 3-day event is going on the annual meet, and how it can be helpful for your organization is just a simple walkthrough. So anybody can download the Excel file from World Economic Forum, and if anybody wants to know about it, just you can email us. We'll share you the file straight away to you. That will help you to do the competency mapping or a skill mapping in your organization, right? So here what you can see that we are just trying to show you, it may be differ from organization to organization. So basically this video is for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 companies in India and globally, those who are watching this video. So for an organization, it is very important to design this. And here just I wanted to show through my screen, which is available in front of you. So here you can see that there are a lot of things available here. And I just want to understand that this way you have to do the mapping. So let's say for public speaking, just the example, the skill is required like public speaking. Right now it is a holographic public speaking skill is required. However, we are not going depth into the future skills and how people are doing it, but just we are just talking about communication. So you have to just see the confidence level, it's a low, medium or high. This will help you to understand who needs a training. So low, you can say in a team 10 people have a low communication skills, confidence, the level, confidence level is low, right? So on that basis you can plan and training for them, and there's, if you do that, you may transform them from low to medium and from medium to high confident. You have to bring the confidence level high. So basically when it comes to the quality part, not the quantity part, so you have to map in this way, and if you do it, it will give you this kind of an outcome. The second part is, I think these are not important for you as of now, but this is the third important part. So the one is functional skill mapping, technology tools they are aware of, and behavior and mindsets what they are having. So if you do this as well, this will help you to understand what are the functional skills. So actually you must have the understanding. Normally what the competency mapping we do is we talk about capabilities, we talk about functional, cross functionals, we talk about of course technology tools and behavior and mindsets. So there are a lot of things, but if you focus on these three, you will be able to understand what is important uh, when it comes to talent pool, or when there is a emerging a lot of right now due to this global geopolitics, it will happen that there will be merger, there will be kind of a business merger and acquisition will take place. A lot of have already started and will keep on doing it. So during that time, if you do this, it will save your hours and it will save your right resources what you are having in your organization. One more thing I just wanted to share here is, so there is, yeah, every skills, when you're doing skill mapping, competency mapping, you have to make that whether it is existing skill or a new emerging skill is required. Now this is total skills what is required, so I'm not going to talk about each and every. You can simply go through it, what are the futures, what are the existing and what are the new. So like simply go and do the new or emerging, and here you will find new emerging skills. You can see total numbers are how much numbers are there. So let me say, if I go, it is a 31. So let's say if I want to keep my company ahead, and I want an external support who will come and design programs on this. So 31 total out of 79 is there. 79 or 70 around number is there. So 31 skills need to be there. Now, let's say you have to do quickly, you have to see the confidence level. Maybe some skills are already, you have already spent money on it, and you are planning to have some another external vendor shortly coming in your organization. So in that case, if you feel it, that what is the confidence level after having that training program, this will help you to understand. And I think it's a magic tool. Let me tell you honestly, use this, you will understand uh, the power of it, right? And I think this is more enough to explain you about it. And here you can see that work economic forum, HMC crosswalk, how what are the level of skills you need to have. So let's say ethics is there, cognitive skills is there. So let me talk about cognitive skills, and here you can say system thinking. And what are the these are just an understanding that what you need to have when we are having the cognitive skills part. And you can see the ethics, you can see the management, and technology skills. Working with others is very important. Just introduce play in working with others is a coaching and capability building and stakeholders conflict resolution. So I think this kind of program you need to introduce in an organization. It's a functional skill which is required. And if you do not have that, you can, as I said, you can take the help from us, and we can provide you this kind of solution. So Anantham Academy is always advanced when it comes to program designing. So that is why I'm Chintan, chief learning architect from Anantham Academy, because we do consider this kind of big forums where we'll be able to understand and help the tier 1 tier 2 organization. So this is how we process our production of program. Thank you.